Hello, everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about this tool that I've been using. And I've just been giving it out to a lot of people, the information to a lot of people, because um, when people have an online business or they're looking at an online opportunity, the hardest thing for people to do is generate traffic and leads. But let me first start out with who I am for people who are watching my channel for the first time. My name is Amanda. I'm a single mom of two. I've been generating a full-time income online for about a couple of years now, and I've been showing others how to be successful online. And the reason why is because I struggled for over a year and a half, and I really didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to generate traffic. I didn't know how to generate leads. And now that I know how to do that, and it's allowing me to bring in consistent commissions, I'm showing others exactly how to do that. So I started using this tool, I want to say the middle of June. And what I love about it is it allows me to drive cold traffic to my link, and it allows me to get free traffic utilizing Facebook. So what I realize is a lot of people use Facebook the wrong way, and they're spamming groups, and that's just, it's very time consuming, and it really doesn't work. And what happens is when people are doing that, they're losing momentum in their business and they're getting discouraged. So this tool that I'm using now is allowing me to pretty much put my business on autopilot, and it allows me to generate targeted leads on a consistent basis. The other thing I love about it is that it has an affiliate commission to it. So I can earn commissions on top of driving cold traffic, getting warm traffic through Facebook, and I can literally set it and forget it. And that's really a big thing for me because I don't want to have to spend a lot of time driving traffic. So I'm going to share with you this information, and if you want it, there will be a link where you can purchase this tool. Okay, so here, this is my Gmail account, and every time someone purchases this product, I get a commission. And what it does is it basically goes out, not only does it get friends for you on Facebook, targeted leads, people that are in the same niche as you, it also delete friend requests of people that don't respond. It sends out messages for you. You can send out a broadcast message, and you can like other people's comments utilizing this tool. So, and you don't have to connect it to your Facebook. So that's the great things about this tool and how it will allow you to generate targeted leads to whatever it is that you're promoting on Facebook. Here are the people want to know about this tool and how it works and things like that. And this is what I've been able to do so far with it. Just starting back on June 15th, I had 10 people that came in, earning me a $23.50 commission for each person that came in. I have 3 here, 1, 2, 9, 2, 2, 1, 1. I mean, the commissions is just coming in, and I haven't really been promoting it. I've just been really using the system, and people want to know, how are you able to generate traffic? How are you doing this? And I'm just giving people the link and letting them sign up for the tool. I also have a quick training on how to use it, even though they have a step-by-step training in the back office on how to use it as well. So if you want to know how to get targeted leads, how I'm doing it, and how it's easy to do using Facebook without spamming groups, you can reach out to me and you can sign up, get started by clicking on the link in the description, and you can actually get started. Like I said, it's easy to navigate, it's newbie friendly, it has the affiliate side to it, and you can generate commissions on a consistent basis utilizing this software tool. So thanks so much for watching my video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more information about the system and how it works. And feel free to reach me on Facebook if you want. All of that information will be in a link below. So thanks again, and have a great night.